How to give Robux to friends on Roblox without a group. Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to give Robux to friends on Roblox without a group. First of all, open Roblox in the web browser. Scroll down the page. Click on Help. Then tap on Contact Us. From here, click on Support Form. Fill up the form by putting your name, email, and confirm email. Choose Issue Details like on which device you're having a problem on. Like I chose PC, you can choose any device you're having problems with. Then select the type of help category. Like I chose Purchase using Robux, you can choose your type. Then choose where you have the problem in website or in experience item. I chose website item. Now write the description of your issue. For example, I want to share 10 Robux with users and then write the name of the user. Then click to submit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.